Right then, what exactly is this unmute thing?
It's a system that we built that allows you to take any text LLM and make it speak by wrapping it in our new speech-to-text and text-to-speech models. And that makes it very modular and super customizable.
Is a cascaded system then? I'm already picturing the latency. Are we talking significant delays here?
Not really, because we've optimized both the speech-to-text and text-to-speech for exactly this use case. They're both streaming, and the speech-to-text also has a semantic voice activity detection. So that means based on what I'm saying, it can figure out whether I'm finished talking or not. And when I am, we're going to immediately start generating the response.
All right, that's reassuring. But how many voices are we talking about? Just a handful or a decent selection?
So we have some pre-made voices, but most importantly, there is this upload button. So you can take any voice recording that you want. And we're going to use that to condition the voice based on 10 seconds and use the voice of the speaker and their intonation. So for example, you sound like a skeptical British man.
Well, you're not wrong there. That's actually quite clever. Will you be open sourcing this, by the way?
Within the next few weeks, we're going to open source both the text-to-speech, speech-to-text models, and the Unmute website itself. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, that is actually quite cool. I'll definitely try it out.
Thanks.